Well, look at the bright side there. The bright side, it's going to be colder tomorrow. No, actually, wait. Yeah, it's going to be colder tomorrow. It's gonna be, tomorrow, no, but tomorrow's going to be 84 degrees. Hey, look. On the bright side, this will only last only another 2 hours. Bro. Hopefully y'all need to make plans. Hopefully y'all are going out with your boys, your chicas. No dates, okay? No dates. Novios, novias, boyfriend, girlfriend. Hey, no dating till college. Okay? That's the best thing. No dating till college.
Right message, wrong message.
No,
That's a good message, but the wrong person. I'm sorry, wrong person.
No, you don't like the right. No, you don't like the right person.
Too much.